Hey. Okay, let me get strapped up. Feel a little better. Aye. This is 15 feet right here. Oh, can see it. Never see that little green light. It's 2 feet. I gotta turn. There goes my camera. Now we're cooking. Let me just this again. Boom, boom, boom. On the money. Bring this out. Came out pretty good. Look like a mess, but let me, as long as it don't leak, I don't care. Let me just take my harness off. Unhook myself from this. Measure 24 inches. 24 is right here. It says 24 is here. I'll go right in there. Put a hole right here. I'll take the glue. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start it off. I'm gonna take it back out. I'm gonna coat it. And oh, now I lost. There we go. There you go. You should record it really good. 24 inches is right here. take all these off. Fuck, this is the hottest fucking antenna system I ever had, man. $7.16. Oh, I think I'm almost done here. Do this side. Jesus fuck, man, what a struggle. God damn. Shit. Good. Good. It's an 8-wire rotor. I don't have to get on my knees. I go to a mechanic. Push up, yeah. Come on, baby. Rotor's connected. Now I gotta get the coax. I'm getting too old for this shit. Motherfucker. I'm getting too old for this shit. Come on, Pete. You gotta realize that. Because I'm gonna roll. You can't see it by the camera, but this roof is steep. I gotta walk like a cat. Let me spin this thing around. There we go. This thing is spinning over here. The pole is not spinning. This part is, which I gotta catch it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. The reflector is hitting one of the small wire elements on my vertical, which is okay. I don't have a problem with that. All right. Yeah, it will make it. I was worried about the reflector though. The reflector just skins my vertical. Why is that? Once I hit it. I don't know, maybe do I got it? Maybe I did already, yeah? Okay, maybe I did, maybe I don't have to. Oh shit. Oh, I better watch out. Last step. Holy shit. Come on, guys. Oh shit. You missed it. You missed it. Let's see the back end. Oh no, I got that one hitting it. I'm not gonna win here. I am not gonna win. It's hitting the wire elements, which is okay. I mean, they're not gonna break once. They're very flexible, but I can't help it. But I prefer not to touch, so they are gonna touch. Put it back on north. That's north right there. Now I gotta make a hole here. That, my friend, is the tail twister rotor. Got a better view at the bottom than I do. I can't even bend down that far. Got the pilot bearing, or the thrust bearing, if I could pronounce it right. And I got the coax all together now. Hopefully it won't come loose. the bearing. None of this is touchings. And the rotor is secure. Electricity ready to operate, guys. Ready to go. And this is looking, that's looking north, west, east, and north, north, south, right there. So at least I don't got high buildings. I got trees though all over the place. I got trees like crazy, like that tree right there. That freaking tree is 75 feet. I measured it with my drone. I said, how tall is that freaking tree? I went up there to the tip of that tree with the drone, 75 feet from ground level. That's amazing. Well, this is what I'll say goodbye for now. I'm gonna edit this video. I got a second part that I gotta add to this. And hopefully it will work.